I would like to appreciate and thank the Vision Fathers and this mission that we annually present this Bible convention in memory of our elder and good shepherd, Father Bill. Thank you for all your efforts to help our people in Uganda, but more happily in the Archdiocese of Kampala, to listen to the word of God, like Father Bill used to encourage us to be men and women of God, men and women of the word of God. This Father Bill is a good example. He inspired so many in our country. When this convention is around, it keeps us reminding us of the message that he gave us. And I know that the Vision Fathers continue to do what Father Bill was doing. And through this, you will receive graces, you will receive blessings, but you also receive the word of God to transform you and make you convert and become saintly people, especially in our country now that has been challenged with a lot, with the devil, with the evil ones, with the crimes, but that the word of God that they bring will nourish you, but also comfort you and make you aware that you are not abandoned by God. So please, thank you for joining them in this mission, and from it I think you'll have even a new life for yourself and for others.